The relation of COVID-19 pandemic with math formula. If n is the number of cases each day, p is the probability someone get COVID-19, and r is the average of people meet each other. If the difference each day is delta n, so delta n will be equals to n multiplied by r multiplied by p. Then the number of cases at the first day will be n plus n multiplied by r multiplied by p. So, the number of cases at the second day will be n of h plus 2 equals to 1 plus r multiplied by p, that is powered by 2 multiplied by n. At the x day, it will be inside the parenthesis 1 plus r multiplied by p to the power of x multiplied by n.